So this morning we are administering anti-coccidiosis treatment. So like I said the other time in the other video I made, I used cough treat. So this is the bottle. It's a solution. It's not those powder drugs. Those other drugs, they are effective, but I prefer these ones to the powdery drugs because these ones work faster. They are much more efficient. That's why I use it. So this is day 14, and we are going to be doing this for about 4 to 5 days. So we are going to be treating them for, because today they are 2 weeks old. We are treating them for anticoccidiosis.